So, are you ready to check out some of the most incredible newest snow all-terrain vehicles out there? Well, we're talking powerful tracked snow vehicles, as well as futuristic snow cruisers that are built for the toughest winter conditions out there. So whether it's powder, ice, or snow, these incredible machines are up for the task. In today's video, we're going to bring you the countdown of the most incredible snow vehicles out there. And trust us, you've never seen snow vehicles like these before. Number 1. Piston Bully 100E. The Piston Bully 100E is a groundbreaking electrically driven snow grooming machine designed to provide efficient and environmentally friendly solutions in winter operations. It generates 200 kilowatt, 272 PS power, and an impressive 14,830 Newton-meter of torque, enabling smooth speed control from 0 to 20 km per hour. It features a high-voltage 800-volt battery system with a capacity of 196 kilowatt-hour, enabling up to 3 hours of operation depending on snow conditions. It also features 150 kilowatt DC fast-charging technology, enabling a full recharge in 1.5 hours, and features regenerative braking during downhill runs. It also provides i-terminal features, including a 10-inch touchscreen display, a 4-axis joystick, auto tracer steering assistance, an electric tiller, and all-way blade technology with high-capacity blades. It also features a heated, air-suspended driver's seat and heated windows to provide comfort in harsh winter operating conditions. Number 2. Cayman Expert ATV. Number 3. Boplot. The Boplot is a purpose-built machine capable of traversing deep snow, ice, and other rugged winter environments that cannot be accessed by conventional vehicles. Its construction uses wide tracks or oversized low-pressure tires to help uniformly distribute weight, thereby eliminating the chance of the vehicle becoming stuck in soft snow. This design provides excellent traction and stability, even in severe Arctic conditions. Boplot snow all-terrain vehicles often serve as both winter exploration vehicles and as rescue vehicles for transporting supplies to remote snow-covered regions. With powerful engines and robust frames, these vehicles can operate efficiently in both snowdrifts and icy areas. Pumps and supports, whether they are researchers or people on adventure excursions. The Boplot is a reliable vehicle for handling difficult tasks in snow-covered areas. Number 4. USM52. USM52 is an ultimate all-terrain vehicle intended for extreme operating conditions and diverse military operations. Its track system with continuous metal plates ensures high tractive effort on snow, marshes, and difficult terrain. Equipped with a high-performance diesel engine, the USM52 can achieve a speed of 60 km per hour while carrying 12 tons of cargo or personnel. USM52 has a large cargo space with various support functions, including command, medical evacuation, and engineering support. Additionally, the vehicle can be equipped with a remote weapon system with a 12.7mm machine gun, 40mm grenade launcher, or 30mm autocannon. USM52 is also equipped with advanced navigation and communication systems for safe operation in the most remote areas of the world. Number 5. ATR Orbiter. The ATR Orbiter is a highly versatile electric-powered crawler that can operate in extreme conditions and can be used for a variety of applications. Its crawler mechanism allows the device to traverse areas that may not be suitable for conventional vehicles with wheels, including snow-covered paths and rugged off-road routes. One of the most popular uses of the device is with a 42-inch stainless steel snow blade that can be used to remove snow from driveways while the user remains comfortably indoors. The highly versatile ATR Orbiter has been used as a part of high-end robotics projects like Comp4 drones, which uses the device as a ground-level autonomous crawler to monitor crops with the aid of drones. Silent, eco-friendly, and radio-controlled, the ATR Orbiter is best used for snowplow. Number 6. Smart Car. The Smart Fortwo is one of the smallest cars in the world. Despite this, it has gained popularity as a favorite among DIY enthusiasts and innovators. One of the most interesting modifications done to a smart car was the conversion of the vehicle into an extreme speed machine. This was done by fitting the smart car with a helicopter engine that produced a whopping 1,300 horsepower. This enabled the vehicle to attain a top speed of nearly 200 miles per hour. Other modifications include converting the smart car into a winter racing vehicle. This was done by fitting the vehicle with handmade skis. The skis were made from the parts of a snowmobile or ATV. This goes to prove that smart cars are not just simple cars. With the right imagination and skill, even the smallest smart car can be transformed into a powerful vehicle. Number 7. Burlac Drive Moto. The Burlac Drive Moto is an all-terrain vehicle that can operate effectively in extreme conditions. With a powerful 150 horsepower engine, the vehicle can attain a cruising speed of up to 50 km per hour. Additionally, the vehicle can transport between 2 to 3 tons of cargo depending on the specific requirements. The vehicle also features a 6x6 drivetrain system that allows for effective movement on snow, mud, and other difficult terrains. There are various types of Burlac Drive Moto vehicles, including cargo transporters, passenger transporters, ambulances, crane transporters, drilling rig platforms, and expedition vehicles. These vehicles are based on a tried and tested platform that has been used for various expeditions to the far north and Antarctica. With 13 modifications already approved for the vehicle, the Burlac Drive Moto offers a high level of reliability and performance for users. Number 8. Trackr 800S. The Trackr 800SX is a versatile and powerful off-road UTV designed for work and play. Equipped with an 812 cubic centimeters, 3-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, it has a powerful output of 50 horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 48 pounds-per-feet of torque. It has the trail block clutch for more acceleration. It has a 2.4WD system with an electronic locking rear differential for superior traction. The Trackr 800SX has the capacity to carry up to 2,000 pounds of towing capacity and a payload of up to 1,500 pounds. It has a full-length skid plate, 10-inch front suspension, and a 9.5-inch rear suspension. It has bench seating for 3-point seat belts, half doors, LED lights, and a roll-formed ROPS. Other features include digital instrumentation, cargo dump bed, glove box, cup holders, and a DC outlet. It has a fuel capacity of 10 gallons, idles at 58 decibels, and is suitable for work, play, and fun. Number 9. Polaris Timber Sled Ripper. The Polaris Timber Sled Ripper is a heavy-duty snow all-terrain vehicle designed for extreme snow adventures. As a product of Polaris, this vehicle is the epitome of innovation, power, and functionality, ensuring that it is the best vehicle for snow adventures, logging, and rescue operations in the harshest snowy environments. The Polaris Timber Sled Ripper is a heavy-duty snow vehicle that is guaranteed to deliver. Equipped with a powerful engine, this vehicle is sure to deliver high torque and speed. In addition, the vehicle features a heavy-duty track system that ensures maximum traction. Designed for maximum comfort, the vehicle features an ergonomic seat, ensuring that the driver is comfortable during the ride. Whether for work or play, the Polaris Timber Sled Ripper is the best vehicle for snow adventures. Equipped with the best features, this vehicle is sure to deliver maximum functionality, ensuring that users enjoy the best snow experiences. Number 10. Berlick ATV. Berlick ATV is a powerful snow all-terrain vehicle built to withstand the harsh winter conditions and environments where other vehicles cannot operate. It is designed to operate on deep snow, frozen terrain, and other areas of the wilderness, and its rugged, tracked, or wide tires enable the vehicle to move on slippery surfaces with ease. Berlick ATVs are built with a sturdy body and a powerful engine to withstand the freezing winter conditions and environments. It has a wide stance and low ground pressure, which enable it to move on the snow without getting stuck, allowing it to move on deep snow with ease. Berlick ATVs are mostly used by explorers and winter adventure operators who seek to explore the wilderness and other areas of the Arctic region with ease and power. With the power and capabilities of the Berlick ATVs, it is evident that the harsh winter environments and conditions are not an obstacle to exploration and adventure. Number 11. Scandinavian TL6R. The Scandinavian TL6R is a tracked machine that is used in harsh environments like the Arctic and Nordic regions. It is commonly used in areas like Alta and is suitable for working in deep snow and rugged terrain with limited space. It has an operating weight of around 7,480 pounds, 3,393 kilograms. It has a radial lift that increases the breakout force of the bucket and mid-height reach. It has a sealed undercarriage roller that is heavy-duty and has a 2-speed travel mechanism to ensure stability while working on rugged terrain. It has pilot controls that make operating the machine easy and a 5.7-inch color screen to monitor the functions. In the Arctic region like Svalbard, machines like the TL6R are used for tourist and polar research activities. They can withstand harsh conditions and can be used during winter months when the temperature is extremely low. Number 12. Nissan Ultimat AWD. The Nissan Ultimat AWD is a stylish and practical midsize car that is designed to offer efficiency, comfort, and cutting-edge technology features. It is powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that delivers 182 horsepower and 178 pound-per-feet torque output. It comes with intelligent all-wheel drive to provide better traction and stability on the road. It has an average fuel efficiency rating of 25 to 27 miles per gallon in the city and 34 to 36 miles per gallon on the highway. It comes with the SR package, including a sport-tuned suspension system, 19-inch aluminum alloy wheels, a dark chrome grille, and sport-styled seats. Some of the technology features include Nissan Safety Shield 360, Pro Pilot Assist, and an available Bose Premium audio system. Number 13. Atlas ATV. The Atlas ATV is an extremely tough vehicle for extreme weather conditions like snow, mud, or water. It is equipped with a 1.5-liter diesel, Dacia Duster 4-cylinder engine producing about 90 horsepower. The vehicle can attain a speed of 37 to 42 miles per hour, or 60 to 67 kilometers per hour on land. Additionally, the vehicle is amphibious and can cross rivers or wetlands. A 100-liter gas tank allows the vehicle to travel an impressive 500 miles or 800 kilometers. The Atlas ATV also features a high-tech 4-wheel steering system with 3 driving modes. These include a unique crab walk mode for diagonal movement with a very tight turning radius. The vehicle is also equipped with massive 5.5-foot low-pressure amphibious tires that can be adjusted from the cabin. These tires function like paddles for the vehicle while crossing water. The interior of the vehicle can accommodate up to 12 passengers or be used for rescue or medical evacuation operations. Number 14. Overassen TV1000. Overassen TV1000 is one of the most powerful snow clearing machines available for large airports with extreme winter weather. Designed by Overassen AS, the machine produces an impressive 1,000 horsepower with the help of a dual Volvo Penta system. One of the engines powers the machine, while the other powers the snowblower head to ensure maximum performance even in heavy snowfall. This machine can clear over 7,500 tons of snow per hour while throwing the snow back 35 meters. With a working speed of 60 to 62 kilometers per hour, the machine can clear runways quickly. A unique flying cab swiveling cabin allows the machine to place the cab either in front of or behind the blower chute for optimal viewing and reduced vibration. 4-wheel steering with digital fleet cloud monitoring also helps with the machine's performance. Thanks for watching this video on incredible newest snow all-terrain vehicles that will blow your mind. There are some amazing machines in this video, ranging from high-powered tracked vehicles to futuristic snow explorers, and they show us that winter terrain is no match for innovation. So, if you have enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe.